this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our Corvair 95 Rampside. And believe it or not, it's 35, 40 mile an hour wind today. So against the wind, she'd only do about 45, 50 as you run in third gear. I'm in fourth gear now, running 2200 RPMs, just going about 65. Probably the speedometer bounces a little bit, 60 to 65, but goes down the road nice. Believe it or not, pretty airtight old cab. Not a ton of wind noise. So this is a great runarounder. I mean, like I said, probably not a vehicle for as windy as it is today, but you're not going to be out cruising much when it's that way anyway. So got good suspension with the air ride. There you can see your gauges are up. Fuel gauge works. Emergency brake works. So a nice drivable truck. And if you want to get some attention, either for your business or for yourself, this definitely would do it. So any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.